In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Depop account. Whether you're eager to sell some items or simply browse unique fashion pieces, creating a Depop account is your first step. Let's dive in and make sure you get started smoothly. To begin, accessing Depop is a cinch. If you're using a desktop computer, simply head over to www.depop.com. If you're on your mobile device, you'll want to download the Depop app from the App Store if you're on an iOS device, or from Google Play if you're an Android user. Once you're on the platform, it's time to sign up. Next, look for the Sign Up button. Clicking or tapping this will open up your options for creating your account. You have several choices here. You can use your email address, your Google account, or your Apple ID. If you're using the app, you might also have the option to sign up via Facebook. Choose the method that suits you best. With your chosen method ready, you'll now enter some personal details. Start by entering your name, picking a unique username, and creating a secure password. Don't forget to add your email address and phone number as well, since these will be used for account verification. Now that your basic information is in, it's time to create your profile. Uploading a profile picture is a great way to start personalizing your account. A friendly, clear photo helps others identify and connect with you. Following this, write a short bio. This could include what you plan to sell or a little bit about your style. It's also a good idea to link your Instagram or TikTok accounts if you wish to expand your social reach. Moving on to settings, this step lets you tailor the account to fit your needs. Begin by choosing your country, since this will aid in location-specific functionalities such as shipping. Next, pick your currency and the language you're most comfortable with. Finally, decide if you'd like to enable notifications. These notifications can keep you updated on important activities like messages or sales, helping ensure you never miss out on anything significant. And there you have it, a simple guide to get your Depop account up and running. With your new account ready, you're all set to start exploring, selling, or purchasing unique fashion finds. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're excited about your new Depop journey. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping or selling on Depop.